Conways, 2E, up, down, left, right, P, nothing happened, up, down, left, right, P, Conway's game of life is turned off. So we partially stubbed him, but we're not done yet. Source code is here. You're on the fast playlist. The slower playlist is here. Okay, so in data by system, in the Conway's top level data section, we've changed to rule set number 3. Rule set 3 is incomplete. In the Conway's function section, we've added rule set 3 beneath the optimized tile map access functions. We have a little about this function section, and I guess kind of like monkey wrench macro-ish invalid names here. And here is the putter we're going to use. This is a function pointer to the Tileway plot point buffer putter, and this is the getter we're going to use, which is going to be the Conway's optimized getter. And these are some constants that we're going to use, the same exact constants as rule set number 2, but for rule set 3 now. Okay, all of these names should look very familiar to the rule set 2, but we've changed them around a bit. So we removed the U32 prefix from this, and this is the center X, center Y tile, the current tile we're on. Here's the neighbor tile X and Y. You can read the rest of these because we don't have time. Okay, we're going to do the buffered Conway's pass here. So we're going to loop through every single room within the center level pack and then update every single 1x tile within that level pack. And the logic is going to go here in the next video. Then, after we have updated all the tiles, we need to plot those tiles into the tile map, GPU sync so we can see it, and then reset all so that we can do this all over again the next game tick. This is the Conway's tick function. And now we have added support for rule set 3. So if we're on rule set 3, we call it the rule set 3 tick function. Here's what we did previously, here's our footnotes and stuff, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game. I'm writing it from complete scratch in JavaScript using a C99 style. So like and subscribe if you're interested in seeing how to make a game engine.